How to transfer money from Bybit to Revolut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Bybit application. Actually, you'll have to open Revolut application first and then get your address. Since I do not have a Revolut account, I cannot show you that. But if you do, simply copy the address of your Bitcoin. Then after that, go to Bybit, go to assets. If you have anything, you will see over here. Then simply tap on withdraw. After that, you will find a form where you will have to select a pair. Simply select Bitcoin and then simply select USDT first, and then in the second blank space you will have to paste the address from your Revolut. Then choose a chain type, that is for Bitcoin it should be BTC network. So yeah, after that simply select withdraw and it will be transferred to your Revolut. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.